So this is the weekly weekly journaling for the first week of April, 2022. And I only traded 4 days this week. I didn't trade on Monday because I was still getting set up for the week. And it was a very good week in terms of process and in terms of profit. But one thing that I did different this week that I noticed had a big effect was removing the realized and unrealized gains from my trading platform. That lifted a huge weight off my shoulders because I was able to just focus on analysis, the setups, picking the stocks, and all the fear and anxiety from having to make money just disappear. And that's very good. So that reflected on my trading and my profits. So I had a very good week. The first 3 days were excellent. Even I had one late session on Tuesday, I believe, or no, or Thursday, and one of those 2 days, and I still did good. So no, it was on Thursday because I didn't manage to get more than 2 hours, but it was very good. But after Thursday, I started to feel a little more overconfident, and I woke up late for Friday. So I need to so one thing like I should have worked better on past week is continue the discipline to sleep on time, sleep early so that I can do the work in the morning. So that's something that failed on Friday, on Thursday and Friday. So so I shouldn't allow myself to become so overconfident that I think that I can find good trades later on the day. There is no better option than to start from the morning, and if there is only one option that appears, take that one, not miss it. But on Friday, I allowed myself to trade for 2 hours in search of one good trade, and I lost my patience. I lost control of my emotions, and I traded stuff that was not good. So, so that's something that was a little bit of a bad note to end the week like that. But hopefully, for next week, I can do even better, or at least apply what I learned this week. So, so starting this week or today, which is Monday, I'm gonna continue focusing strongly because this was a good thing that I started doing. Is spending more time on searching stocks. So that's the first step. Picking a good selection of stocks that have a good level two. It makes a huge difference when you're trading something that makes its intention known in the level two and on the time and sales. So I'm gonna continue doing that, and also just focus on the setup. I have a new playbook that I made much cleaner, and it's gonna help me a lot. So um, hopefully this clearer version is also gonna give me more confidence because I know it works. So I'm gonna do I'm gonna pay a lot of I'm gonna put a lot of effort into the setups, making sure that they are B or higher. And I need to take breaks. That's another note. I on Friday I broke down. I believe because I just spent 2 hours without taking a break. So I need to take a break if nothing appears or if nothing is happening. So that's the best way to avoid making mistakes and breaking down emotionally. So I think that's the last important thing that I think can help me for next week. So we'll see how it goes this week. If it can be just as good as this week, I'll be happy. But I learned new things today, this week. So and today, so I know it's gonna be a little better. So that's it for my weekly journaling.